Hello, so I am back in Jamaica about 4 years later, and I'm sitting here working on some ackee that was picked today from the tree. So I'm just going to show you guys what I'm doing here. So this is the ackee with the seeds. In the US, we mostly buy them in the cans. These are the seeds right here, and this is the flesh. And typically you just want to use a knife, or you could use your hands and just take these off. There's usually a little hard part right, hold on, right here. This little area here is kind of, let me see if I can see it good. Sorry, it's a little hard sometimes, so you may just want to cut it up a little bit. Sometimes if they come off clean, then you open that up and you kind of look for the pink stuff on the inside right here, this fleshy stuff, which I just kind of took out. Get away. Okay, and it's pretty easy. I'm gonna actually put these in the freezer because we probably won't eat them all while we're here, so that way they won't go bad. So basically I've done about that much. Yeah, so this is ackee, what we used to cook with ackee and saltfish and various other types of meats. It's our national dish here in Jamaica. All right.